Hello, fifth graders. So hopefully you have just watched the video about talking about writing and setting those goals for yourself. So below in the Google Classroom, there is a Google form for you to fill out telling me like, how are you going to reach those goals? Because I'm not there to sit next to you and say, hey, keep moving, or hey, you got to get working, whatever it might be that I can do when we're there. So today, what your goal is going to be is you're going to open a Google Doc and you are going to, whatever your goal was, if it's 10 minutes, if it's 15 minutes, if it's 20 minutes, whatever it is, you're going to type for that long. When you're typing, and that goal is done, I want you to see if you got your goal. Okay? Once you check and see if you got your goal, you can write about anything that you want. You can write about what you've done over these breaks. You can talk about what you miss about school. You can talk about your friends. You can talk about your family. You can talk about your dog, whatever that might be, that's what you are writing about today, okay? So that is your goal. I want to see what your goal is, and then I want to see what you wrote about. So I will have an example in your Google Classroom for you to check out and see. Otherwise, happy writing. Miss you.